Assalamualaikum warahmatullah. Hey guys, what is up? This is Mainul Faruqi from Crazy Python Lover YouTube channel. Today I'm gonna talk about why should you learn Django. So let's get started. A web framework is a collection of modular tools that abstract need the same basic functionality, the ability to connect to a database, set URL routes, display content on a page, handle security properly, and so on. Rather than recreate all of this from scratch, programmers over the years have created web frameworks in all the major programming languages like Django and Flask in Python, Rails in Ruby, and Express in JavaScript, among many others. Django inherited Python's batteries included approach and includes out-of-the-box support for common tasks in web development like that user authentication, templates, routes and views, admin interface, robust security, support for multiple database backends and much more. This approach makes our job as web developers much easier and more comfortable. We can focus on what makes our web application unique rather than reinventing the wheel when it comes to standard web application functionality. In contrast, several popular frameworks, most notably Flask in Python and Express in JavaScript, adopt a micro framework like it's a very simple framework approach. They provide only the bare minimum required for a simple web page and leave it up to the developer to install and configure third-party packages to replicate basic website functionality. This approach provides more flexibility to the developers but also yields more opportunities for mistakes. As of 2020, Django has been under active development for over 15 years, which makes it a grizzled veteran in software years. Millions of programmers have already used Django to build their websites, and this is undeniably a good thing. Web development is hard. It doesn't make sense to repeat the same code and mistakes when a large community of brilliant developers has already solved these problems for us. At the same time, Django remains under active development and has a yearly release schedule. Django community is constantly adding new features and security improvements. If you are building a website from scratch, Django is a fantastic choice. That's it for this video. Hopefully you are enjoying this video. Please smash the like button and subscribe my channel Crazy Python Lover. Thanks for watching.